Video 311, we have shader 1, shader 2, shader 3, shader 4, shader 5, shader 6, and the shader we're working on, shader 7. Okay, yeah, that needs some work, but let's get into the code. So you get the source code here, you can email me here, and in the ArtGirl macros, we have added this new gray color that you see whenever a tile is set. In the shader 7, which is the shader we're working on, within the main function, we have this new binary tile variable within the questionable scope area within our main function. And we're going to use this binary tile value to pack the sample chord into a U32. So right here, extract tile value. We thought we were going to do this in 309, now we're getting to it. And we need to get the level map coordinate by taking the discrete units in our world space, dividing by the discrete units in a tile, manually modulating the value to make sure it's in range. This is the formula for modulus for reference. This is our sample chord. This is the UVec4 taken from our sample chord. Here's where we're calculating the sample chord. We need to seek to the correct hotel, seek to the correct room within that hotel, seek to the correct tri-cluster diagonal offset, and then we need to get which layer we're on by applying a lateral offset, either to the right, left, or no offset if we're getting just the geometry tiles. And then we need to get the local coordinate within the current level. After we have the correct sample chord, we're going to use that sample chord right here with this little macro, which is going to execute this code right up here. STF for sampler texel fetch. Then, once we have the sample chord, we're going to take the red, green, blue, and alpha, and we're going to shift it into position and smash it all together to get a 32-bit pixel value, which is our binary tile value. If that binary tile value is non-zero, then we're going to set a gray color and get the fuck out of there. And that is what we're doing. So just a simple smoke test to let us know that everything is roughly correct. So here's what we did in this video. And you have been on this playlist. If you need a longer description, go here. You have been on video number 311. Like, subscribe, send money.